guys, what's up? It's Liz, and don't mind me, I'm just being a hot mess right now. I have a kid. I have an excuse, but yeah, I just want to show you what came in the mail today. I have a lot of errands to run today, but the doorbell rang and this came in. I'll just do a very quick unboxing before I go out. Okay, they do have this right now, which is good. You know what's inside. And this is the box. Oh, what? The dust bag is partially outside. Weird. But it doesn't have the ribbon, which is okay, but not really. And here is the item in a dust bag, which is good. I've never seen this before. This is the first time that I'm opening it with you guys, so yeah. Yep, another key pouch, and key pouch in the monogram canvas. I don't like it already. I'm just like looking from this angle, and you can see this part right here is squished. Weird, huh? Let me inspect it real quick. Yeah, this part, the pull, zipper pull is not good either. Not sure if you can see that, but let's see where it's made from. It's made in the US. Doesn't have that made in France stamping. You see it? Bro, it's difficult to show, but there's no made in France there, so basically it's made in the US. Has the number and this. See if it does have that problem. It does, but it's not really showing at the moment. I don't know if you can see that, but it does. But I don't mind. Let me get my Damier Ebene to compare it. Now, I have done an unboxing of that one, and I'll link it up here. Just click on it. You'll see everything that you need to know about the key pouch. I'm not going to do the same thing for this material because they're basically the same, just different like canvas. Okay, here they are side by side. I'm not wearing my eyeglasses, so I can't really tell if there's like much of a difference with the shape. Do this. Could you? I mean, this one is filled with cards and cash, so let me take that out. See, like, it's thick. And let me put that in. There you go. I guess this one has a better cut, like the sides and all. This one is not that bad, but when you inspect like on that cut where the canvas is cut, it's not perfect, but I don't mind it. I honestly don't mind it. I like it because down here, like, you can see that they are proportionate on this side too, and this side. And I am not complaining with that gaps on the stitching. It's not bad. You can't even tell. Like if you squish it hard, that's when you are able to tell. But other than that, I cannot complain. I like it. Hardware is beautiful. Again, to open this, I saw this on one of the Facebook page for LV, and one girl asked how to open this up. So what you have to do is just like pull it backwards and then up, and then that's it. Then to put it back, just pull it back again and then shoot it in. Hey everyone, so it's the following day and I'm just looking closely on the product. Like if you see the what's going on, if you see the trimming on this side and on the opposite side, it's just not good. It's not perfectly cut. And also if you look on like the bird's eye view, you'll see that like the middle part is squished in. Saw that yesterday, but I didn't really look closely into it. And as I was filming, I saw that one part, like one side of it, the one that I'm showing you guys, was there were a little like indentations. So I'm not sure where it's at now. That's Alexa. There's a truck outside. And also I saw the stitching. It's ridiculous. They are exposed. Like, look at that. What? Yep, exposed all sides. So I've decided that I'm gonna return it and just order another one. Hopefully it's made in France. I know it's not like a huge deal where it's made from, but I just want it to be made in France. So yeah, just a little update. So just a little comparison. Just a little comparison of what I was talking about earlier about the stitching. My Damier Ebene doesn't have that issue. Like you can see like a little bit, but it's not crazy as that one. See on the bottom part, you can't see a single stitch. On this one, just a tiny bit. Here, nothing at all. Nothing at all either. But like on the Monogram one, the new one that I got, all sides, you can see like the puncture of where it's coming from. Like it went through that hole and the other hole. Yep. All the way to the other side. Let me see if I can show you. Here. Yep. As I was telling you guys yesterday, it wasn't that bad, but now that I'm looking like closely. Yep. Going back. It's really going back. That's my kid's toy.